Here's a few things to look for when you're buying an RV. First up, water damage, of course. Every single RV and camper is gonna have water damage. I don't care how old or how new it is. If it doesn't have it now, it will eventually get there. This is where you use all of your senses. Feel the walls, push on them a little bit to see if they're soft or if they have like a crunch. You're gonna use your hearing. If they smell or if the camper smells a little bit musky, obviously look with your eyes. And super important, make sure you open up all of the cabinets because those cabinets are covering up walls that you need to look into. Also look at the four corners. Usually on the front, there's cabinets or closets that cover up the corners. Open those up and then stick your finger in that corner to see what it feels like. Do this on the back corners as well. Second thing you want to look at is the roof. If there's not a ladder on the RV, ask the seller for one. If they're a little hesitant to provide a ladder for you at their house, that's probably your first red flag. When you're on the roof, look for cracks, old sealant, holes, scratches. Look for sealant that looks fresh that they may have tried to cover something up with. Pretty much any imperfection. Third, check out the AC if it has one on board. Take a peek at the AC roof cover while you're up there. If the AC roof cover is damaged, you might want to look into it a little bit further. And if you're at a location where they can plug it into shore power, do that. Make sure that everything is working, including the AC, because those are really expensive. Take a look at the tires. Take a look at the wear and tear, but most importantly, look at the birth date of that tire. The birth date is a small 4-digit number, usually located in a small rectangular box. Any tires older than 5 years old need to be replaced. And number 5, look for Mickey Mouse or evidence of any other critter, because they probably did some damage or chewed up the electric wires.